The primary aim of the death penalty is to decrease the number of horrendous crimes in the world. The death penalty is a legal punishment ordered by the court against the violation of criminal laws. The methods of death penalty vary from country to country. It gives people an idea as to what the law is capable of doing. Many think that death penalties are violating human rights, but still, it is practiced in many countries. It not only prevents future crimes, but it makes a person think twice before committing a deadly crime. Death penalties are a harsh reality showing that the world is filled with culprits and criminal activities. Crimes have risen to such a level that execution is the only way to stop deadly crime.